Hi! New hair, new hair, new hair! Welcome back everyone to Niki B English with Niki and
Ellie!
Today we will start lesson 11. What is in the bedroom?
오늘 우리는 11단원 What's in the bedroom을 배울 것입니다.
Our objectives today are to learn the following expressions. This is the living room. What's in the kitchen? And there's a stove in the kitchen. There will be 4 parts.
4가지 활동을 해볼까요?
First, vocabulary.
첫 번째, 어휘를 배워봅시다.
Second, sentences.
두 번째, 문장을 익혀볼까요?
Third, let's practice.
세 번째, 익힌 어휘와 문장을 연습해봅시다.
And fourth, let's review.
네 번째, 복습해봅시다.
Are you ready? Let's get started! First, vocabulary. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
단어입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해봅시다.
Room,
방,
bathroom,
욕실,
bedroom,
침실,
kitchen,
부엌,
living room,
거실,
board game,
보드게임,
borrow,
빌리다,
mouse,
쥐,
sink,
세면대,
stove,
가스레인지,
wash.
씻다.
Second, sentences. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
이번엔 문장입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해봅시다.
This is the living room.
여기는 거실입니다.
What's in the kitchen?
부엌에는 무엇이 있습니까?
There is a stove in the kitchen.
부엌에는 가스레인지가 있습니다.
There are cookies on the table.
쿠키가 탁자 위에 있습니다.
Third, let's practice. This is the What's in the
What's in the
There is a in the
There are in the
Fourth, let's review. Today we learned.
오늘 우리는 이것을 배웠습니다.
The expressions. This is the living room. What's in the kitchen? And there's a stove in the kitchen. Please review your words and sentences.
단어와 문장을 복습해 주세요.
Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Goodbye.